Okay, I might be going off the deep end, but I think that's a foregone conclusion. I have to show you this. When I'm at the cabin and the ceiling fan is going, it hums because it's connected to the woodwork, of course, of the cabin. It transfers that hum through the building, so it drives me crazy. And I decided to build a mount, a shock absorbing mount. So what I did was, let me just get this together again here. I laminated some 3/4 plywood together, and then I cut it in two, squared it up, of course, and then I had one go at this, but it wasn't going the way I wanted, so I ended up here, and what this is going to do, much like my little shop here, this mounts on the ceiling, and it will level out the mounting surface for the ceiling fan. And I'm going to take this and mount it here, but here's the fun part. So these little guys I got off of the interweb, and this stud and this nut is separated only by rubber. So there's a complete separation in those two fixtures, therefore it's insulated, or it's like a little shock absorber, right? So I'm going to mount that now. Let me just grab that if I can. Okay, so I've got nice nuts to put on in there, and then I'm gonna put this up, and the housing goes around as I hang the ceiling fan, and these little shock absorbers will keep my fan from driving me crazy. All right, and further to that insanity, I have decided to encase the armature here, which I built out of plywood, obviously to maintain the strength and integrity. There'll be mounting screws that go to the ceiling, and this has to be strong. But I'm going to encase it now in pine so that it's pretty. Okay, I just thought I'd share this. Yep. Supposed to get a snowstorm tonight. It's been so cold that it's hard to believe that it could snow, but should glue that up. Okay. She's mounted. Look at this. So that's completely separated from the building now. Nice. All right, let's give her a shot. See if we got a hum. How does the battery decide to fail just now? I mean, it's been in there for at least 2 years, so, 40 below or whatever. And it's been working, but I just want to do a test. Let's stick her in again there. I warmed it up a little bit. Should be good now. Oh boy. There she goes. Wow, what a difference. What if I crank it? Well, I definitely hear something now, but it's not transferring into the building. So that makes me very happy. Wow, this thing really gives her. Going insane? Oh, probably. Well, now the ceiling fan is silent, and there is absolutely no hum transferring through the rafters, which is amazing. And during those beautiful quiet moments here at the camp, it will be awesome. I hope you found something useful in this video. Take care.